Hi everyone, welcome to Belinda's DIYs. This video is geared for all new t-shirt makers out there. In less than a minute, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to bleach t-shirts so that you can sublimate on. If you want a more in-depth tutorial on bleaching, please comment down below. This is how I bleach my t-shirts. I use a paintbrush to paint off a section, and then I also use a thin brush to make some swirls. After that, using the same paintbrush, I go ahead and I sprinkle some more bleach. And then I finish it off by using a spray bottle and continue to spray some more bleach, make it look really nice and distressed. Once I get it to the desired color I want, I go ahead and I spray some peroxide. After letting it sit out there for a few minutes out in the sun, this is the end result. And here is the final product. Please go and stop by my Etsy shop. It's called Belle's Designs with Love. Link is in my description box. If you're interested in learning from start to finish, from bleaching to sublimating, then please comment down below and I'll go ahead and give you a full, thorough tutorial. And I'll also teach you what I've learned about staging your products. Well, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please give me a big thumbs up, share, and comment, and also subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one. Bye-bye, and God bless.